So you probably heard all about the Glam AI app, which allows you to insert yourself into the most glamorous and fantastical shoots. It's got video and photos, and all you do is upload your own 10 to 15 images of yourself and it does the rest for you. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to do it with my husband's photos because I've already done mine. I'll show you some of mine at the end. And yeah, it's a pretty quick process and I'll take you through it now. Okay, so here we are in the Glam app and you can see all the different shoots that you can apply yourself to. And I'm going to have a look at the male photo shoots. Very buff guys. Sunsets, horse riding, cowboys, astronauts, all your wildest dreams. Okay, I'm just going to go for the business guy. I was going to try and get some work shots for my husband. Now, this is where you choose to pick to upload a new profile and just upload it from iPhone. I've already been through and sort of found some close-up shots of him and put them onto my phone and upload them. Now, that takes a little while. It took about 5 minutes. Let's go and have a look at the results. So it gives you two options for the face. Sometimes it's sort of a serious and a smiling, or they're just kind of slightly different. I usually find that one is totally off and then the other one is closer. And if you really don't like it, you can redo it using a different photo as your inspiration. So there are heaps of styles and shoots to choose from. It's a lot of fun. I'll show you some of the amazing shots that I played around with. I was all sorts of things. Part Disney princess, part Arabian Nights, Desperate Housewives of Dubai, 101 Dalmatians, Mob Wife, Upper East Side. And then there's even like cool shots that you could use for editorials, fashion catwalks. And you can do these really fun warped videos too. And I have a special discount code. Have a look in the comments or in my link tree for that. Then get on and have a play and let me know what you thought. Follow me for more AI and beauty tips.